Hello everyone, today we'll be looking at PestPac Tutorial 2025. Manage your pest control business efficiently. The ultimate all-in-one software built exclusively for pest control businesses ready to level up. In today's fast-moving world, efficiency isn't optional. It is essential. That is where PestPac comes in. This powerful cloud-based platform brings together everything you need to keep your operation running smoothly. Scheduling, dispatching, customer management, billing, reporting, and more. Whether you are launching a new pest control company or upgrading from outdated systems, PestPack scales with you, giving both small teams and large enterprises the tools to stay organized, boost technician productivity, and deliver an exceptional customer experience. With seamless integration across mobile apps and online portals, your office staff, field techs, and managers stay perfectly in sync, anytime, anywhere. In this guide, we will walk you through how to set up PestPac, manage your customers, schedule jobs, handle billing, generate performance insights, and even use marketing tools to grow your business. By the end, you'll be ready to unlock PestPac's full potential and confidently run a more profitable, efficient pest control operation in 2025. Let us get started. First of all, PestPac is cloud-based, so you don't need to download or install any software. To get started, visit pestpac.com and click Get Started in the top right corner. All you need to do is provide your and your company's information. A sales representative will reach out to discuss whether they can offer you a demo or a free trial, depending on your approval. Once your account is active, you can log in through your web browser or download the PestPac mobile app on iOS or Android to manage your business on the go. For now, we will be studying PestPac and its key features. Scheduling. PestPac scheduling tools help you manage appointments efficiently, whether for one-time services or recurring jobs. The drag and drop calendar simplifies assigning technicians, avoiding scheduling conflicts, and ensuring you meet customer expectations. Automated reminders and alerts reduce no-shows and help keep your team organized throughout the day. Routing. With optimized routing, PestPac calculates the most efficient paths for technicians to reach customer locations, cutting down on ride time and fuel costs. Real-time updates lets you adjust routes instantly if jobs change or emergencies comes up, helping you serve more customers in less time and improve your team's overall productivity. Custom forms. PestPac lets you build customizable digital forms tailored to your business needs, whether it is inspection checklists, service reports, compliance forms, or customer sign-offs. You can standardize your documentation process. This ensures consistent, accurate data collection and reduces paperwork headaches. Mobile app. The PestPac mobile app equips technicians with all the tools they need on the go. They can view their schedules, access customer details, log service notes, take photos, collect digital signatures, and process payments, all from their mobile devices. This increases efficiency, improves communication, and eliminates unnecessary trips back to the office. CRM, Customer Relationship Management. PestPac CRM stores detailed customer records, including contact information, service history, property notes, billing details, and communications. This central database helps your team provide more personalized service, manage renewals, track customer preferences, and stay on top of each client relationship for better retention and upselling. Termite inspection. PestPac includes specialized termite inspection features, allowing technicians to document termite activity, treatments, and recommendations digitally. With inspection forms and report templates built into the system, your team can deliver fast, professional reports to customers and ensure regulatory compliance. Reporting. The platform's reporting capabilities give you access to real-time data on your business performance, generate customizable reports on revenue, job completion rates, technician productivity, customer retention, and more. With these insights, you can spot trends, address issues proactively, and make data-driven decisions to improve operations. Customer Portal. PestPac's online customer portal empowers your client by giving them 24/7 access to their accounts. They can view service histories, schedule appointments, make payments, check invoices, and request additional services, all without needing to call your office, which improves customer satisfaction and reduces administrative workload. Marketing. PestPac's marketing tools help you attract and retain customers through targeted campaigns, automated service reminders, renewal notices, and review requests. With built-in email and SMS marketing features, you can keep customers engaged, encourage repeat business, and strengthen your brand presence in the market. Chemical tracking. Staying compliant with chemical usage regulations is crucial for pest control businesses. PestPac offers tools to track chemical inventory, monitor usage by job or technician, and generate compliance reports. This not only helps avoid fines but also ensures responsible, accurate reporting to customers and regulatory agencies. Accounting. PestPac simplifies financial management with integrated accounting features, automate invoicing, handle recurring billing, accept credit card and ACH payments, and connect with accounting platforms like QuickBooks. By streamlining financial tasks, you reduce errors, speed up cash flow, and gain a clearer picture of your company's financial health. Customer communications. Effective communication is key to strong customer relationships. PestPac offers automated communication tools for sending appointment confirmations, service reminders, follow-up messages, and surveys through email or SMS. These features help keep customers informed and engaged, improving satisfaction and reducing cancellations. Business analytics. PestPac's business analytics tools provide a big picture view of your operations. Dashboards and key performance indicators or KPIs allow you to track revenue trends, technician performance, customer retention, marketing effectiveness, and more. With this data, you can make smarter strategic decisions, optimize operations, and plan for long-term growth. In conclusion, PestPac brings together a powerful suite of tools designed specifically to help pest control businesses streamline operations, improve service delivery, and drive growth. From smart scheduling and optimized routing to detailed customer management, mobile access, chemical tracking, and advanced reporting, every feature is built to boost efficiency and keep your team connected. With marketing tools, business analytics, and customer communication features, PestPac not only helps you run your daily operations smoothly, but also strengthens customer relationships and positions your business for long-term success. By fully leveraging PestPac's capabilities, pest control companies of any size can work smarter, serve customers better, and stay ahead in a competitive market. And that is all there is on PestPac Tutorial 2025. Thank you so much for watching, and please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. We hope to see you in our next video. Goodbye for now.